Hello traders, my name is Grigor and welcome to the market update, in which we will take a look on euro dollar, dollar yen and dollar CAD. On euro dollar we turned bearish because market broke through this support line of this corrective channel after 3-wave bounce, and the reason why we are also looking lower on euro dollar is because of this structure on the line chart, which is showing impulsive qualities: wave 1, wave 2, extended wave 3, wave 4, and now appears to be wave 5 underway, which is final leg of this blue wave 1. However, this red wave 5 must be subdivided by 5 smaller legs. So here is the 4-hour update count that we are tracking. We labeled entered of a wave 4 here. This was wave 1, wave 2, and now black wave 3 is underway. Now if this wave count is correct, then of course market should not move back above 1.3015 invalidation level. Okay, why? Because this was a minor swing low of this wave 1, so of course this is now a wave 4 bounce, then you know that wave 4 must not make an overlap with this wave 1. Okay, so I'm really curious to see if today's close price will be beneath this triple bottom or not. Okay, if we will see maybe a sell-off into the US close, then I would be quite confident in this wave count and would be expecting deeper levels within a black wave 3, possibly down to 128 level. Okay, but meanwhile I'm also observing my second wave count, which is a triangle, and this second wave count would come into play if we see an overlap with this critical level. Okay, so here is this count. I'm looking here at completed running triangle. This was wave A, wave B, wave C, and small wave D and E. Okay, so if we see an overlap with this critical zone here, then this wave count would be invalid, and in such case we could see a bottom established on euro dollar. Okay, so in such case don't be surprised to see a larger corrective bounce. So once again, just keep an eye on this daily close price. I would love to see it let's say somewhere around 12940, or maybe even at the lows, okay, at today's close, because then this would be a quite strong evidence that bears are very strong, and that this was not just a 1-hour sell-off, and that we are headed lower on euro dollar. Okay, if we see a reversal higher at the end of the day, then this would tell us that this fall was just intraday sell-off, okay, and nothing else. So now let's take a look also on dollar yen. On dollar yen daily chart, we are tracking this huge impulsive rally, and we are now in final leg of this rally, fifth leg. Wave 5, as I said earlier, must be subdivided by 5 waves, so we are looking higher here towards 200, maybe even towards 261.8% extension level. We have also here this upper trend line, parallel trend line of an impulsive channel, and this is actually parallel trend line from this trend line, which is connected from wave 2 and wave 4 lows. So if I expect to see a test of this trend line, and then we could see a reversal to the downside, okay, or at least a temporary top on dollar yen. So for now we are looking higher on dollar yen. Here we have also the 4-hour wave count. This was wave 1, wave 2, and now extended wave 3 appears to be on their way. Notice that this pullback, or the price action actually since Monday, is quite sideways and very slow, so I'm confident that this is a 4th wave pullback and that we will see higher levels here, and ideally this will be a break into sub wave 5 of this wave 3. Okay, so upside projections for this fifth wave of 3 would be around 97.50 to 98. Okay, then again we will be tracking another pullback. So for now we are bullish here, and we expect to see a higher levels as long the market is trading above this critical level, but already a fall back to 94.50 would threaten the bullish outlook, because in such case this support line would be broken. Today, as you can see, we tested this support line. That's a daily chart. We tested this support line here, and now reversing higher. So if the price will go maybe even higher towards 96.40 today, or 96.50 into the US close, then this wave 4 would probably already be confirmed and completed, which means that we could focus on higher levels, immediate higher reactions in wave 5 or 3. Okay, and now let's take a look also on dollar CAD. It's been a while since I made a video update on dollar CAD, but I think this price action is quite interesting now. Here we have this daily chart where we marked a 5 waves up in wave 1 or wave A. That's not really important. Then we have 3 waves of a pullback in wave B or wave 2, and then a sharp reaction higher through the former swing high, which means that this breakout confirmed move into either wave C or maybe even a wave 3 of some other strong impulsive bullish wave count. But that's not really important at the moment, because each legs wave C and wave 3 of an impulses are 5 wave patterns. Okay, so in both cases we need 5 waves up, and from here I can see only 3 waves up completed. Okay, this is wave 1, wave 2, wave 3. So obviously we are now in wave 4, and we will see higher levels in 5th wave. Usually these 4th waves will be very similar in distance compared to wave 2, and they will typically retrace for 38.2% compared to wave 3. Okay, so we still didn't test these levels, so I would love to see a little bit deeper pullbacks before we could look maybe for longs to catch wave 5 here, simply because now invalidation level is quite far away. But I have 2 wave counts which suggest and actually confirms the idea that we are in a wave 4. It's just a question of time when we will see a break of these recent swing highs. Okay, so here is this our primary wave count that we are tracking also on our Elliott wave counts page. This was maybe a minor small leading diagonal in wave A. Then this wave A is of course first leg of a 3 wave retracement in wave 4, because we know that wave 4 is a corrective leg, so it must be subdivided by minimum 3 legs. So I label this as a first leg, and then this sideways choppy overlapping price action appears to be a wave B. Ideally it's a running triangle in wave B, because this leg moved into a new extreme below the start of this wave A. So this could be a running triangle here in wave B, and we could see a reversal or push down towards 38.2% retracement area compared to wave 3, as I highlighted earlier, and also towards this wave 4 to wave 1 equality, which also comes in around these levels. Okay, so I think these levels would be very interesting for a bounce higher. But as I said, I'm also tracking another wave count which suggests that this whole structure from March 1st is actually itself a triangle in 4th wave. Okay, so this count is also valid, but in such case I want to see more evidences of this pattern in progress, which means I want to see more sideways. We still need waves D and E. Actually still we need wave C, D and E before we may see a break to the upside. But in such case we must not see a push beneath this wave A. Okay, so actually both wave counts are pointing for stronger dollar against the Canadian dollar, and I really like this one, but because of Elliott wave guidelines, which suggest that fourth waves will usually retrace for at least 38.2% retracement area, and also because this fourth wave of a larger degree will test it. In a lot of examples you will see a test of the swings of a wave 4 of a minor degree. Okay, so that's why I like this wave count and would love to see another push lower. I also think that from psychological perspective there are a lot of stops somewhere below these swings, so a spike lower and then a reversal higher would actually be a quite nice price action on dollar CAD for a bullish case. So actually this is my primary wave count, and I would be interested to buy this currency if we see a pullback towards 102 level. Okay, okay traders, this is it for now, and I will catch you later on the intraday updates page. Have a good day.